So guys, today we are going to do question number 8 of exercise 13.5. What does it say? Let's read out the question. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. Means we have a cube whose edge is 12 centimeter and that cube is converted into 8 small cubes दैट आर हैविंग द इक्वल वॉल्यूम. मीन्स हमारे पास एक बड़ा बॉक्स है और उस बड़े बॉक्स को हमने 8 छोटे छोटे बॉक्स में कन्वर्ट किया है एज शोन. व्हाट विल बी द साइड ऑफ द न्यू क्यूब. तो जो नया क्यूब होगा स्मॉल क्यूब उसकी साइड क्या होगी वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट. ऑल्सो फाइंड द रेशियो बिटवीन द सर्फेस एरियाज. आफ्टर फाइंड द साइड वी नीड टू फाइंड द रेशियो बिटवीन द सर्फेस एरियाज ऑफ बोथ. एज शोन दिस इज द बिगर बॉक्स ऑफ एज 12 centimeter and let its volume be V1, and this is converted into 8 small boxes of let its volume be V2 and let its edge be x centimeter. In such cases, when one object is converted into another or one shape is converted into other, then volume remains the same. That means volume remains the equal, that is volume of this bigger cube equals 8 times the volume of smaller cube. Why? Because when we convert there is no material loss. जब इस बड़े बॉक्स को हमने छोटे में कन्वर्ट किया तो इसको तोड़ के तो करने से रहे इसको मेल्ट ही किया होगा ना. तो मेल्ट करने से कोई मटेरियल लॉस या कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, या जो हुआ वो भी नेग्लिजिबल है. सो द वॉल्यूम रिमेन्स द सेम. देन विल फाइंड द वॉल्यूम एंड विल पुट देम इक्वल एंड देन सॉल्व. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सॉल्यूशन. गिवन साइड ऑफ बिग क्यूब विच इज 12 centimeter and let side of small cubes या 8 small cubes be x centimeter. Now since we need to find the volume, and what is the formula for volume of the cube? Side cube. And so we'll find volume of big cube which is 12 cubes and unit is centimeter cube. Now since we have assumed the edge of the or side of the small cube be x centimeter, so volume of small cube V2 be x cube and unit will be centimeter cube. Since big cube is converted into 8 small cubes, so the volume remains same. That means V1 equals 8 times V2. We'll put the values of V1 and V2 and then solve. Then we'll take the cube root. After taking cube root we'll get 2x equals 12 and x equals 12 by 2, that is 6 centimeter. So we'll write therefore side or edge of the small cube or new cube will be 6 centimeter. Now since in question it is also asking about the ratio of the surface areas, only surface area is written, means we need to find the ratio of the total surface area, and formula for total surface area of cube is 6 into side square. Now we'll substitute the values and find ratio surface area of big cube to the surface area of small cube. Gives 6 into side square. We'll substitute the values of side. 6 will cancel out and 12 square can be written as 12 multiply 12 and 6 square can be 6 multiply 6. On cutting we'll get 4:1. Therefore ratio of surface areas is 4:1. Most important thing in this question was to remember and to understand that volume remains same on converting. Thanks for watching the video.